Hey, good morning, people. Good afternoon, people. This is going to be a quick lesson on, and sorry I can't be here, but this is going to be the end product that you guys are going to create today. It's going to be a practice stained glass assignment, and if you can do this well, you'll do the bigger one even better. So this is kind of a practice, and it's going to get you used to this. So this is the end product, what we're hoping to get out of you guys. But here's what we got to do to start. So if everyone could turn their calculators on, please. And you're going to need to choose zoom right here. Hit the zoom button, and then you're going to scroll down to number 8 and choose decimal. Z decimal, hit enter, please. Next, you're going to do second zoom, which takes you to this page, and you want to make sure that you highlight grid on. Again, that's grid on. All right? Thank you. The next button you need to push is the Y equals button. And if I'm going too fast, we can always go back and start that little bit over. And by the way, thank you, Mrs. Monson, for for teaching these good people. So anyway, under Y1, we're going to type 2x. And if you're looking for the x, it's right next to the 7 down there. So just type in 2x under Y equals. Okay? Next, go ahead and push trace, and you should get this. And there's a graph. And so now we're going to go ahead and label that on our assignment. And this is the practice, so you're just going to put 2x right here for Y1, and then you're going to graph it. It looks about like that. Starts here, and it's going to go up 2 over 1, but you don't need to do that. You can just draw a nice straight line that kind of goes through these dots right here. Awesome. So let's do the next one. So again, you're going to go to Y equals right here, and you're going to type in this time negative 2x into Y2. So negative 2x. And see what happens, and you probably know what's going to happen. If I push next, there it is. But to get it to come up, I've got to push trace. So when you push trace, it'll show up. And now we've got our two equations, two graphs, two lines, two linear graphs. And if I go back here, I can write it down. Negative 2x. And that one goes like this. Oh, that wasn't so good. About like that. Okay, they're opposites. All right. Next, go back to Y equals and type a 2. Just a 2 in Y3. No x, just Y equals 2. And then push trace. Trace is right here. And you should get a horizontal line. And then I was just tracing along it with my arrow button, and I got to right here. Anyway, that's Y equals 2. So I'm going to go back to my assignment, and I'm going to put Y equals 2. And I am going to draw a horizontal line through 2. Okay. And then I'm going to go back to Y equals again. And I'm going to type negative 2 and only negative 2. And you probably know what it's going to look like. Then I got to push trace. Trace is the button down here that says trace. It got cut off. And there there it is. Y equals -2. It crosses at -2. Horizontal line. You guys are doing fantastic. And then I go back to my assignment and I write -2 here. And I put a horizontal line right here. Awesome. You guys are doing great. I hope you're listening. And then the last thing you do is you color everything in. Okay? You do not have to color mine. The one we did, that's practice. So that first one you do not have to color in. But now here's where you're going to practice. This is graph 2 and graph 3. You're going to make up whatever equations you want, like 1/2 x plus 2, or you could do -5x plus 7, or you could do 1/8 x minus 3. Doesn't matter. Just write them, type them in, and graph them on here, and color things in. Make it look nice, and you got 2 of them to do. Here and here. Thanks you guys for listening, and I hope this didn't drive you insane. Good job. Thanks for putting up with me. Hope you're having a good day.